Hello, how are you all, my dear students? So, how's your study going on during this pandemic? So, this is a very crucial time for all of us, I think, because there is no tight schedule. There is no date regarding exams, various types of exams like NEET, like CSIR, NET, right? Various central government exams, there is no date still coming, right? During this pandemic, even the unlock process is started in some states, but there are various states till now where lockdown is still going on, so people are not able to go out of their home. All the educational institutes are closed, so it is a very stressful time for all of us regarding the teachers community, regarding the students community, right? Because the teachers can't deliver their lectures in their limited time period, so various lessons, various practicals are going to be left, right? So pending of syllabus is a very tough task to cover by online teaching or by taking online classes, because all the practical classes are not actually manageable by online class, right? So it is very difficult to the researchers also who are currently involved in their research labs, because various labs are closed right now due to COVID pandemic. So this is a very stressful period for all of us, right? This is a bit lot harder for the students who even don't know what is going to their next phase regarding exams, regarding results. Many results are still pending in this pandemic period. The curricular activities, regular curricular activities of the examination processes are hanged due to various causes which create a different kind of stress and negativity among the students, right? So today we'll discuss a few points, few times, how to tackle with this stress during this stressful period itself. I not only deliver study lessons always, sometimes we will talk some light topic, right? This which is the topic is light, but it is very important in our day-to-day life as the situation going right now, right? So how will you manage your stress during this stress period? This is a very difficult question, right? How will you manage even when you don't know when the exams will held, when the results will declare, and how you manage your study during this very short uncertain period? So this is itself a very stressful question, but somehow we have to handle this stress right now, right? Because when the pandemic will over, and I hope it will over very soon. Very soon means before October, before Durga Puja in India, right? So after opening the educational institutions, definitely the exams will held by any means, because they have the strict curricular activity, they have the strict calendar to passing the students out of the institution, so that they can proceed further, right? And so the new admissions can taking place. But till now the whole time is very stressful to handle for teachers and for students itself, right? So what will you do when this situation is going on? How will you concentrate your mind during this stressful period for preparation of your exams? Today our topic is this. We concentrate this topic. So see, I am not a very famous person. I think myself as learner like all of you, right? So this is a very stressful period for me too, how to handle this stress while teaching you online, right? So what I actually do, I in the morning, so the first practice we should do, rise up early in the morning. Actually, I don't follow this myself too. So how can I say all of you to rise up early? But this is a very beneficial process if you rise up early in the morning and closing your eyes by at least 10 minutes and free up your mind from any stress, any anxiety for 10 minutes by closing your mind in bed. And see, you can feel the stress level. You can feel the stress is quite manageable. You don't have to remember your daily agenda, your coming routines for the day, like when you study, what subject you study, how much you complete. Forgetting all this, close your eyes after waking up from the bed or from the sleep and just relax your mind. This will help in controlling your negativity, controlling your anxiety during this stressful period, right? And what can we do? Few other tricks, like you can listen music of your choice, not that the jangzung, that pop music, right? Some very calm music like instrumental music, right? You can go through this. You can hear some morning music, like you can use flute music because it is very soothing and relaxing for the mind for handling a stress period during the exams. You can also try it. And what can you do? Today everyone is go through yoga, right? Everyone trying yoga, even our schools, colleges, universities, including yoga as their stress manager, as their one of the subject. You can also follow this. Many of you, I know many of you following yoga from very beginning, but some lazy person like me, I can't go through yoga because I can't wake up so early to begin with yoga. So for lazy persons like me, you can follow some short tricks like what that I'm saying right now. Then next is few tricks are, you can go out for walking or you can go out for travel, but during this pandemic this is not possible, I know. So what you can do, you can walk on your garden or on your home road, means in front of your home, at early morning or at evening, during a cool environment, relaxing your mind, freeing your mind from every stresses of schedules, exams, right, results, etc. You can feel much better by doing this, right? And what else you can do? You can avoid talking negative talks with people. You can avoid negative minded people right now, because this will create much more stresses on mind while you are itself going a very stressful period. So handling your mind and remain it calm and cool and stress free is very important task right now. This is the agenda of government to taking care of your mental health. So I am talking this topic today right now. You can avoid people with negativity who don't understand your plans, who don't understand your mental level stress right now. So you can stop talking those topics with those people who don't understand, who can't understand them. So this is one of the useful topic before the exam to avoid negativity, to avoid stress, right? So what else you can do? You can one tricky but useful trick is that you can sleep. If you can sleep with a stress-free mind, this will create new energy to concentrate again very freshly, to engage yourself very freshly in the preparation, in any kind of preparation. So sleep is very important, right? So you can use this trick too. For a very lazy person like me, I sleep a lot of time. So you can also do this, or you can go through seeing cartoons, right? Because they are very simple animated cartoon which can bring happiness to your mind, so that you can again engage yourself with enthusiasm in your study or in your work, right? Or you can I don't advise you to go through movies, very stressful movies, very critics movies, but yes, you can go through comedy movies if you have time. But because this is exam hour, I don't suggest you to go through movies, right? So you can see some 15 minutes 10 minutes of animated cartoon of your choice, and this can help you from to make your mind stress free, right? So these are some of the tricks how you can handle your stress before your exam time, where itself everything is very uncertain. Your exam routine is uncertain, result is uncertain, and you don't know what you are studying sitting at your home, right? So you can apply all these, but the best therapy is you should control your mind itself. You should motivate your mind itself. Find your goals, find your targets, think why you started your plan earlier before, so that whatever, if it is COVID-19 or whatever the situation right now, nothing can distract you, right? So these are the few tricks for today, my dear students. We'll talk again when this kind of topic again arise. If arise, I hope it will never arise again. So till then, we'll meet in our next class. I will meet you all in our next class. So till then, bye bye, take care, have a good day.